Welcome to Gaming Factory. The best deals on all kinds of gaming computers, video games, and gaming accessories. Gaming Factory is a modern all-in-one place website that provides the best deals on all kinds of gaming products for your personal use. It also keeps you updated about latest gaming news and information through latest added blogs. Whether you're looking for world's best games at affordable prices, the best gaming monitor deals, most comfortable gaming chairs, the best gaming laptops for all types of gamers, top console and controller deals, the best gaming headset deals, top picks from gaming desktops, the best prices on graphics cards, and so much more. Gaming Factory has got you covered. Deals made especially for you. Save your money and time. Get the best deal for almost everything. Check latest deals and shop now by visiting the official website.